Imagine this, you're splitting a delicious pizza with friends in Oslo, but nobody has cash. No worries. In Norway, they just Vips each other, the super convenient way to send and receive money instantly using their phones. But with all this digital magic, you might be wondering, is there a cost to using Vips? That's exactly what we're diving into today. So, buckle up and get ready to learn everything you need to know about Vips fees. Free money transfers, with a catch. Let's start with the good news. Vips is completely free for many everyday transactions. Sending money to friends, family, or even splitting bills is totally free as long as the amount stays under 5,000 Norwegian kroner, NOK. That's roughly around $560 at the time of recording. So, for those smaller transactions, Vips lets you be a financial whiz without any hidden charges. Exceeding the limit, the 1% fee. But there's always a twist, right? If you need to send a larger amount, that's where Vips introduces a fee. Here's the deal, any transfers exceeding 5,000 Norwegian kroner come with a 1% fee. So, let's say you're paying your friend back for that fancy new gaming headset that costs 7,000 Norwegian kroner. In this case, you'd pay a 70 Norwegian kroner fee on top of the total amount. Not too bad, considering the convenience Vips offers. Important note, who pays the fee? Just a heads up, it's always the sender who gets hit with the fee, not the receiver. So, if you're requesting money from someone, you can rest assured they won't be charged a dime. Free transfers for teams and businesses. There's another perk to using Vips for certain transactions. Sending money to teams, associations, or companies is completely free, regardless of the amount. This can be a great way to handle group payments or collect membership fees without any extra costs. Vips for businesses, a different ball game. Now, if you're a business owner looking to accept Vips payments from your customers, things get a bit more complex. Vips offers various business plans with different pricing structures. These plans typically involve a percentage-based fee per transaction, often coupled with a fixed fee. For a more detailed breakdown on business fees, it's best to head over to the Vips website or contact their sales team directly. They can help you choose the most cost-effective plan based on your business needs. Beyond fees, other things to consider. While fees are a crucial factor, there are other things to keep in mind with Vips. For starters, it's currently only available in Norway. You'll need a Norwegian phone number and bank account to register. The app itself is free to download and use, and the transaction process is generally very smooth. Plus, Vips boasts robust security measures to keep your money safe. So, is Vips worth it? Ultimately, whether Vips is worth it depends on your individual needs. If you're a resident of Norway who frequently makes small peer-to-peer transfers, Vips offers a free and convenient solution. For larger transactions, the 1% fee might be a consideration. Businesses should weigh the transaction fees against the potential benefits of offering a popular payment option like Vips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.